Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So let's watch the latest updates of Doah, Dixie, Damelio and Noah Beck in this video. So starting with the entry in the party. Alright, so party is going on. And that's Noah. There you go. No filter time, filter time.
I still have all the pictures. I still have mine. Yeah. I saw mine. This dude.
Okay, so you're just a app boy. There you go. And it is on the top. There you see it. Amazing, man, amazing. Noah is increasing the importance of the occasion. Whoa. Perfect. Matt Lewis also there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go.
Dixie.
Departing.
Bye guys. Dixie.
Now.
Dixie.
Everything was just well planned and was done perfectly for the party. Right, so this live, he's almost there.
Why'd I try to fuck with you? Now I'm just fucking her.
That was funny. Alright, so party going on.
One smash! Oh, don't need another fuck boy! Fuck up the fuck boy!
I am in a happy
Well,
relationship.
time for the questions.
The fuckboy still exists. So in 4 minutes, the video
Are you
will
ready for the
premiere for the
questions?
first time ever. Take it for what it is. It's not about drama. It's fun.
You see Charlie in the background?
Have you guys seen it?
Not at all.
This will be our first time. I just saw it for the first time.
Here we go, guys. 10, 9, 8,
Really nice. Really nice.
5, 4.
Everybody needs a girlfriend and a boyfriend like that.
I do.
I think so.
I did not want my boyfriend to be portrayed as a fuckboy.
Amazing. Mind blowing.
It would be weird if he was a fuckboy. I don't want to yell at him.
How nice is that?
Dixie, Noah.
How long does it take to film a music video? It usually only takes 1 day.
Just
but
focus
this took
on
two
the
because we filmed
answers
two
that they
videos.
are giving.
It only takes 1 whole day.
You'd be really
Do you have advice for teens who
amazed.
are into music? Just do it. I mean, why not? Oh my god, thanks. I know. I'm like a great public speaker.
smashing a pinata in the middle of.
Oh my god!
Is so iconic. Okay, he said it's been stuck in my head for a couple of months now. So good.
Here we go, guys. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go!
Dislikes. Glad you disliked the video. Anyways.
We'll try to fix that.
Yes.
We'll try to fix that.
Mm-hmm.
1 minute.
Pretty nice, pretty nice.
Have you guys seen it?
Not at all.
I can play the piano and the violin.
This bitch Beethoven.
Alright guys, hope you're enjoying it.
I could.
Wow, that's a little while.
Hi, Elizabeth. Yeah, the song is not about anyone in particular, and don't take it about anything.
So many girls
I am in a happy
and
relationship, but
a few
fuckboys still
boys
exist.
as well. Curtis, do you see Curtis in the background? And their parents. Alright guys, bye bye, take care, see you tomorrow again. Hope you enjoyed it. Do like it.